Hello, welcome to part 2 of our series on where to place a security camera. If you haven't seen part 1, check the video description for a link to it. Let's get started. The best locations and positions for a security camera in your home. The location of a security camera in your home is vital to how much security you are being provided with. There are locations in your property that need top consideration when placing your security camera. These locations are recommended because they are regarded as soft security spots. This is based on statistics from different researches on security. These locations include indoors or interior of the home. Many people have this preconceived notion that security cameras are mainly suited for outdoor installation. A good security camera installed inside the house enables you to have a full view and record the face and identity of any criminal invading your home. The only downside with placing your security camera indoors is that a criminal would not be deterred in invading your home. This is because he would have no pre-knowledge that the home is equipped with a security gadget. We shall now consider specific locations of the interior and exterior of your home where a security camera can be placed. Common areas in the interior where you may place your camera. You may decide to place your security camera in a location inside your property where people usually gather. Such places include the kitchen, a living room, or the children's room. You may also decide to have it where your domestic staff usually do their work. It's a fact that people like babysitters, cleaners, repairmen, and even the kids need monitoring to confirm all is going well. Where you can't afford many cameras for each location, there will be a need to give priority to such activity locations. Main stairway or hallway in the interior. A security camera will serve a very useful purpose if placed to cover the stairway or hallway of your home. This will enable you to track or monitor movements from one room to another. It will also make it difficult to have anybody loiter the apartment without being detected. Since the bedrooms, bathroom, and other blind areas of the house end up in the hallway, it is a strategic location for your camera. The front door of the apartment. The assumption is that most intruders would prefer to gain entrance to a home through obscure entrances. The fact is that a sizable number of intruders still insist on using the front entrance. Being the most prominent entrance in a home, special attention ought to be given to the front door of your home. The security camera placed at the front door gives you the detail of the human traffic in your home. The front door security camera should be placed at the height of the second floor. This is to protect it from being tampered with and for good coverage. With the security camera at the entrance of your door, you will instantly be alerted if someone's arrival and you can confirm who the person is. You can also speak with the person at the door from your phone. The front door is no doubt a strategic location for your security camera. The exterior back and side doors. Exterior and side doors are not very busy routes, so a person can enter the house from those points undetected. It's important to monitor movements on these locations to know who is using them at any given time. This is because an intruder might feel tempted to use these entrances on the assumption that these exits are not being monitored. All entrances in a home should be regarded as potential entry points for criminally minded people. It is therefore important to pay attention to doors and windows when arranging a security system for your home. Places that may infringe on the privacy of your neighbor. Before placing your security camera on the exterior of your property, it's important you are familiar with your local laws. Are there state, municipal, or homeowners associations laws and regulations that show any limit to the use of security cameras? It's important to confirm this before any external installation so as not to have issues with a neighbor or the authorities. Because you can install your security cameras to cover a reasonable area outside your property, it may become illegal and an exercise of indiscretion to extend such right to some limit. There might be issues if your neighbor alludes that your security camera is invading his privacy. It may also become legally indefensible if it is shown that a security camera sees your neighbor's bedrooms and bathrooms. Your security camera can also put you on the spot if it is alleged that it is used for other illegal activities aside from security. The debate on invading your neighbor's privacy can really go on as it relates to video monitoring and recording. It is illegal in many jurisdictions to do an audio recording of a person without their knowledge or consent. Bedrooms and bathrooms. It is understandable you will want to monitor the activities of the kids and the elderly in your home. Some parts of the home like bedrooms and bathrooms have privacy expectations that are warranted. In place of the standard security cameras, there are baby monitors for monitoring children's activities. There are also motion detectors, glass break sensors, and medical alert devices for taking care of the elderly. Care must be taken to adhere strictly to these legal requirements. We have seen in our discourse so far that proper placement of the camera is critical in considering where to place a home security camera. To get a satisfactory result from this exercise, however, it is important to have competent hands handle the installation. For wireless and portable devices, you may not need a professional. It is however noteworthy that correct placement of the camera is perhaps more critical than the physical installation. So we recommend further professional input beyond what we have proffered. This professional input will take into consideration the peculiarities of your home. We hope you've learned quite a handful. In Part 2 we will attempt to discuss areas or locations where a security camera should not be installed. We also provided expert tips on how to install a security camera. In the video description below, we have left you with more information on how to purchase any of the devices we have reviewed from Amazon. As you may know, getting genuine devices is an important factor to consider when carrying out your home security project. Kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon. That way you're the first to know once we post a new video. On our website, www.zimhomesecurity.com, we have more home security content like this. Be sure to visit.